Hello students, I Manavendra Ghosh welcome you all in this video of William Public School. Today we are going to learn chapter 3 coordinate geometry. Locating a point. We are required to locate a point in our study of the coordinate geometry. To locate the position of a point in a plane, we require two perpendicular lines. One of them is horizontal and other is vertical. The plane is called Cartesian plane in which point is located and lines are called coordinate axes. Cartesian system. We take two perpendicular lines in Cartesian system. The horizontal line is known as x-axis and vertical line is known as y-axis. The intersection of these two axes is known as origin, which is denoted by O. Quadrants. X-axis is denoted by x and minus x, where OX is showing the positive direction of x and O minus x is showing the negative direction of x. Similarly, y-axis is denoted by y and minus y, where OY is denoting the positive direction of y and O minus y is the negative direction of y. Coordinate axes divide plane into four parts and these are called quadrants. So first quadrant, which is enclosed by OX and OY, is our first quadrant. Similarly, second quadrant is enclosed by O minus X and OY. Third quadrant is enclosed by O minus X and O minus Y. Fourth quadrant is enclosed by OX and O minus Y. Coordinates of a point. Distance of a point from y-axis is its x-coordinate, which is known as abscissa, and distance of the point from x-axis is called y-coordinate or known as ordinate. So if abscissa of a point is x and ordinate is y, so coordinate of this point will be given by x comma y. So here always x coordinate is written first and y coordinate is written second. Coordinates of a point on x-axis and on y-axis. So if any point is on x-axis, so this can be denoted by x comma 0. Similarly, if any point is on y-axis, this will be denoted by 0 comma y. The coordinates of the origin is always given by 0 comma 0. Coordinates of points in quadrants. In the first quadrant, the value of x coordinate will be positive and value of y coordinate will also be positive. In the second quadrant, the value of x coordinate will be minus and value of y coordinate will be plus. In the third quadrant, both x coordinate and y coordinate will be minus. In the fourth quadrant, the value of x coordinate will be positive and value of y coordinate will be negative, where plus denotes positive real number and minus denotes negative real number. Locating a point. If any point B for which coordinates are given as 4, 3, then for locating this point we have to take 4 units on x-axis and draw a line parallel to y-axis. Then we have to go to the y-axis and draw a line parallel to x-axis from 3 units. So where these two lines are intersecting, that will be our point B for which coordinate will be 4, 3. Similarly for point M for which coordinates are -3 and 4, by seeing this one we can know that this will be in the second quadrant. So we have to go -3 units on the negative side of the x and draw a line parallel to y, and we have to go positive side of the y and take 4 units and draw a line parallel to x-axis. So where these two lines are intersecting, that will be the point M, and coordinates of this point will be -3, 4. For locating any point L, coordinates are given as -5, -4. So by seeing this one, we can easily conclude that this point will lie in the third quadrant. So first of all, we will go to the negative side of the x and take 5 units here and draw a line parallel to y-axis. Then we will go to the negative side of the y and take 4 units, and again we will draw a line parallel to x-axis where these two lines intersects. That will be our point L, and for this point L the coordinates will be -5, -4. Similarly for the point S for which coordinates are 3, -4, we will take 3 units on the positive side on x-axis and draw a parallel line to y-axis, and -4 we will take on the negative side of y-axis and draw a line parallel to x-axis where these two lines intersect, that will be our point S, and coordinate of the S is given 3 minus 4. Thank you students for watching this video.